broken with old age. I've seen that evolve change. Summer passing by, and summer out tonight. But with all that being said, there's someone who's always been there, who never left my side, leaving all the things behind. And she's standing right in front of me with 2 mugs of coffee. There is something about that place that keeps me going. Ay nagtazianin, ay nagtazianin, ay nagtazianin, ay nagtazianin. The day that you came in, you made this home a better place. And when I see you passing by, each day you make me feel alive. And now that we're old and gray, and we're not as quick as we used to be, still you leave me breathless, relentless. And though that's still enough, but then you're standing right in front of me. Either way you drive me crazy. There is something about that place that keeps me going. Ay nagtazianin, 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 ay nagtazianin. Thank you.
Thank you.